Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to connect Cronus Zen to PS5. You need a PC, Cronus Zen, a licensed PS4 controller, Zen Studio software and micro USB and USB cables. Firstly, plug in your Cronus Zen into your PC via the left side USB port. Launch the Zen Studio on your PC, then click the Tools tab and Firmware Update, then follow the prompts to install the latest version and restart Zen when done. In Zen Studio, go to Device tab, then check the box that says PS4 Specialty. This tells the PS5 to treat the Zen as a PS4 compatible device. Now unplug the Zen from your PC and use the center USB port to plug the Zen into your PS5's USB port. The screen should say PS4 wired controller or similar. Plug in a genuine DualShock 4 controller into the left USB port. Do not use third-party or wireless PS4 controllers, only official ones will activate specialty mode. You can use a PS4 or 5 DualSense controller wirelessly by pairing it to a Bluetooth dongle or using certain Zen-compatible crossover modes, but only for input. Haptics, adaptive triggers won't work in specialty mode. And you can now run gamepacks, mods or scripts through Cronus Zen while playing on your PS5. However, note that PS4 specialty mode only works with PS4 games. Running on PS5 for full PS5 native game support, you'll need a third-party workaround like Bloader Pro or Remote Play Bridging. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.